friends, good afternoon. I am back with a new video. Today we are going to a comedy show, but the catch is that I am not 21. I am 19 years old, so I think I have to negotiate or try to with the security to make sure I get into the show. It's gonna be interesting. It's an hour away in Albuquerque, so I'm gonna make some noodles, get ready to go, and I'll see you later.
I thought that said the 1975.
Yeah.
The 1957.
We didn't make it.
We did not get in.
Nope. But now we have to figure out what to do.
I need to crouch down so people can see me.
There's a cool mural. We're just kind of waltzing around. He tried everything in the book.
Yep. Tried bribing him. Didn't want 20 bucks, so.
I sold the tickets for 40.
That's the band that had the CD that you destroyed.
When I was very anxious.
Really bad night. You destroyed that. Let's see what time it is. 7:30.
What'd you think of the new Spider-Man?
That was good.
Good?
That was a good movie.
We're going to go meet the boys again since I couldn't sneak in. Do you know where we're going to eat?
I don't.
It was kind of a forgettable movie.
Yeah, there was a couple of scenes that were really good, but those were Edgar Wright scenes, and the rest of it was pretty formulaic. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I think most horror movies.
Good morning, everybody. Today is a very fun day because today Wolfie and I are going to go explore Meow Wolf, which has crazy visuals, and it looks like psychedelic, like Alice in Wonderland. I'm really excited. I don't know what to expect, so he just chucked his oil and we're about to leave. Hopefully I'll get time to film something else today, but we will see. Welcome! Welcome to the car where Wolfie is putting in directions.
To find Meow Wolf. That's funny because this band is like Satanists.
Hi, John. Call Del Shiloh.
Sheila!
Sheila. Call Del Shiloh.
It's like a bowling pin.
Getting really crowded.
Look at that dude. It's a cool graffiti.
Whoa! You guys going like real fucking fast.
Okay, so change of plans. It's really crowded and we want to be immersed in it when we experience it. So I think we're going to go when Patchy comes, which isn't too far away actually.
No, it's like a couple weeks.
Yeah, so we're
Just
gonna...
Apache.
This is really cool, like, look at that. Ooh. Where are you typing in?
The Humane Society.
That's really fun, too.
Yeah.
Well, we made it to the animal shelter. It's like over there. Wolfie's stripping. But look at this beautiful mountain, like, area. All these, like, bush things are cacti. Isn't that crazy, Wolfie?
I've never seen a cat.
Back in the car we go. We are approaching. Huh?
Making sure it's open. Kennel viewing until 5 p.m. We can stay for about an hour.
Okay. So our friend Medi actually adopted a dog named Xena, most adorable thing in the world, from this animal shelter. And he actually went there about like 5 times before he actually bought this So we're gonna check it out. Hopefully I fall in love and bring a baby home.
Yeah, hopefully. Hopefully not.
Every puppy's so cute. This is Cherry. Now Cherry's not in there.
There he is.
Wait, I'm too short.
Hey, Cherry. Hey, Cherry. Hey, Cherry. Hey.
Oh my god.
That's nice. Aren't you nice?
Huh?
Aren't you nice?
Oh, you're such a sweetie. Huh? Oh, Zazu.
A nice dog. I
Zazu.
really like this dog.
Hi. I want to pet you. Oh, give me. Look how beautiful you are. Gracious. Hi. Oh. Oh, he wants to be in the video. His name is Peace. Oh, Peace, come. We have to get him.
Wait, beautiful peace symbol on her chest.
Oh, I love you. I love you.
You're such a nice girl.
Oh, yeah.
Look at her.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. So cute. What is that? Oh.
You like treats, don't you?
Yeah, you're such a good girl. Oh, you want to tango with me? Yeah, I love you. Oh, I love you. Hi, Regina.
Oh. Hey, baby.
Regina. Hi. Oh, baby.
Hello.
Matt likes you, baby.
He's rambunctious. Year-old.
So this is Amar. Look how pretty. Hi.
She's hiding.
So
We need a dog.
pretty
need a
sure
dog.
we were both about in tears when we were like in there, and my baby fell in love with Sydney, another baby.
Such a cute dog.
When we are stable and in a good environment, we have to adopt. Adopt, don't shop. Right?
That's important. Like, there were a lot of nice dogs.
I know, and they were like overflowing with dogs. I'm so upset.
They said they had different dogs in different buildings because they didn't have space. And like, so many of those dogs were so nice.
I know, and they had puppies. But we're driving back. Gotta go away before we end up coming home with an animal. The plug. What's on the agenda?
Well, what do we got?
Hold up at Sonic. So now. Alright.
You're thinking shake?
I think so, yeah.
I came here the night I got here before my internship. I was like, oh shit, I need to feed myself. And I just drove for like a million hours.
And then you ended up
to
here.
Sonic. I was like, will you feed me, please?
I never thought ordering at Sonic would be so hard.
Hi, could I get a medium turtle pecan master blast and a medium chocolate chip cookie dough master blast?
Living the luxury. What do you get into? Oh, hello.
On the spot.
Welcome. So they did not have any cookie dough.
Yep, they're completely out of cookie dough.
Yes, and there's the one thing I would like, so.
So they awkwardly asked us,
if I wanted a different one. So, I'm getting a caramel brownie one. Boom!
my mirror is so screwed up.
Oh, baby. Look at that. Oh!
Oh, baby.
Be Trisha Paytas for a second. Oh, I'm about to dive in. So we're trying to go to the farmer's market and Wolfie's checking to see how much it is. We'll see. What's the verdict?
Free.
Free!
Free.
So, free! We're gonna go to the market now, so.
Face comparison. This one. This one. This one. This one.
Look at how nice you are for carrying the camera bag.
One of my accessory choice.
Ooh, look at this one. These are beautiful. I love how colorful they are. I say a skater boy. It's your turn to be a model. Ooh.
That's a big ass dog.
Whoa. There's a little free library down here.
Cutting.
Alright, for future reference, it's closed on Sundays, and on Saturdays and Tuesdays, it's from 7 a.m. to 1 p.m. Better luck next time. It's interesting. For sure, looks good. Tell the story.
Stop.
There's a guy on the bike.
I said, you look hot. And this guy on the bike rides by and goes, for sure, looks good.
He like winked.
Damn.
The train's coming.
You're hot.
You know what time it is?
Speed up.
Oh yeah! You feel good. That's exactly what
Looks good.
looks good, honey. What if you said honey?
That'd be worse.
That car got so damaged. Oh my god, the birds did him dirty. Hi guys, I am back from filming and going to the animal shelter.
Oh my god! Oh!
Thanks. Thank you very much.
Sorry, I was just really excited.
Okay, anyways, we are back from the animal shelter. There was a super creepy guy on the way back, and you'll see that in my other video that I filmed. It was so funny. But I have to end the video here. We're gonna relax. That's pretty much the most eventful thing we're going to do today. So I will see you in my next video. Make sure to like this video if you enjoyed it. Everything will be down below, including social medias, links, messages. So open that little message down there, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!